Hey guys, this is One Ticket to Adventure. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about adventure, lifestyle and traveling. And please guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and please do subscribe. Okay, let's go. Quick one. Last month I made a video regarding this meta saving box on my Instagram page, One Ticket to Adventure, asking my friends, followers to guess how much will be inside this meta box on the day of opening it. I got this meta box on my trip to Dominica in 2019, perhaps October, when I went on vacation. So ever since then, I've been saving whatever is left in my wallet as loose change, maybe $1, $2. Sometimes I put $100 inside. Sometimes I put $50 inside. So since 2019, around October, up to date right now, I've been saving. Once in a while, 50, thereabouts. So today now, I will be opening this box. And like I said the last video, whoever gets how much is inside this meta box will be going home with 10% of the total amount inside this. So, having said that, it's time to open the box. Let's go!
I just wanna travel the world. I just wanna travel the world.
So guys, I hope I make above $5,000. That would be nice. And the reason why I'm opening this meta box is because I need money badly. I start up a new project which I need, funds to finish up. So right now I am opening the box to see how much it's inside so I can proceed with my project. Okay, let's go guys. Woo! Almost. Okay. You see guys, let's see how much total I've been saving since 2019 up to date 2021 March. So it's a lot of money guys. I need to be careful because of my hand so I don't get myself caught. Woo! This is a lot of money. Woo! I have been saving since 2019 guys. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. See guys, it's empty. It's empty. There's nothing inside. It's empty. So guys, it's time to count how much I made. Let's go. Okay. $20. Let's go. Go down here. $20. Calculate how much I have. I had 400 for 20 bill, 100 bill for $100, 50 bill for 500, 10 bill for 50, 5 bill for $135, $1 bill for $60. So that's 400 plus 10, that's 500 plus 500, 1,000, 1,000, yep, 1,000 plus 50, that's 1,050 plus 135. That's 1,185 plus 60. Yeah, 5. That's 14. That's 2, 1. Yeah, 5. Yeah, 14, 2. So I saved $1,245 since October 2019 to 2021 March. Woo! Incredible. So guys, I'm gonna be checking the comment section of the last video I made. Who should guess how much I've been saving? So guys, I'm on my Instagram page trying to see the comment of my followers who commented and see if anyone actually commented 1,245. I think I have one person said 5,000, one other person said 5,000. No, I think someone get close. He said $1,000. That was close. So yeah, that's all. No one got it. I'm sorry guys, but so what I would do is I would give out $100. I think we have like 4 people commented on my session. So I'll reach out to those who made an attempt, at least in trying to guess how much I've been saving since October 2019 up to this date. So I'll reach out to them and I'll share the $100. At least they made effort in trying to guess how much I saved. So guys, thank you for watching my lovely channel, and it's time for me to use this money for the project I have been working on. So thanks. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to share this lovely video. It's always good to save, and so far I have saved $1,245 for over a year plus. That's incredible, and I'll be using this money for the project I've been working for a while now. So guys, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. One ticket to adventure.